In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who shared my post on Instagram. Instagram's privacy rules make this a little tricky. So here's what you can and can't do and how to get the most accurate picture using the built-in tools. First, a quick reality check. Instagram does not show the exact usernames of people who share your posts privately through direct messages or even to their stories if their accounts are private. However, you can still see how many times a post was shared and in some cases view which public accounts reshared it to their stories. To access those metrics, you'll need a professional account, which can be either a business or creator profile. Switching is simple and free. Open your profile, tap the menu, go to settings and privacy, then account type and tools. Choose switch to professional account, select the category that best describes your profile, and you're done. This doesn't change your existing posts or followers, and you can switch back later if you want. If you just made the switch, give insights a little time to populate. Data may not appear instantly. Now, to see share counts, open your profile and tap the post you're curious about. Below the post, tap View Insights. You'll see several metrics, including reach, likes, saves, and the paper airplane icon. That paper airplane number is total shares, combining both story reshares and shares via DMs. While it won't list who shared it, the count is a strong indicator of how much your content is being passed along. If you're checking whether your post or reel was reshared to stories by public accounts, tap the three dots on the post and choose View Story Reshares. If there are active public reshares within the last 24 hours, they'll appear here. If nothing shows, either no one reshared it publicly, the 24-hour story window has passed, or the reshares came from private accounts, which won't be visible. It's important to note that personal accounts don't have these features at all, so insights and reshare views only work after switching to a professional account. Use these numbers to learn what's working. High share counts usually signal content that people find helpful, surprising, or worth passing on. Look for patterns in topics, formats, and captions. Compare shares alongside saves and reach to understand whether your post resonated deeply or simply traveled widely. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.